So I'm trading, right? Should be recording it, but I'm not. And I put on a position on RDBX on the open roundabout. It pulls, it rips, reach a 5 day, then it pulls down, it turns, reverses. I still held through it because I've done this way too many times to sell too prematurely. And it's going up, and it reaches back to my price level after I added to the position. It's a 747. And weirdly, I'm noticing that it stopped. It froze. The whole market froze. I'm looking at the time of sales, and there is a lot of shares being bought at 769. Being sold at 769. The stock isn't moving. Yet I look at the time of sales. The level 2, and the bid is at $10. I assume this is dark pool trading. I've never personally been a part of dark pool trading, but wherever this goes, I wanted it to be recorded because that seems like something I'd want to review later. So yeah, see what happens. Because as you can tell, if the recording was good enough and it's showing you the wrong screen as always. No, that's not it. That's still not it either, and it's not being seen. That's crazy. Well, alright, well this video is fucked. Pardon my language. No, that's not it either. It's showing on the profile that it's still at 769, but the stock literally isn't moving. Strange, I may add. So I will go to Thinkorswim, and I will see if I can find an alternative. RDBX. There you go. There you see it's moving. And we're going to add to the position. And what's our stop? The $10 mark? That's understandable. I've not done this enough times. With 2,000 shares on the 8, thousands of shares on the 10. It's a lot of shares. Mm, 5,000 on the 20. Evening out. At 50, are we seeing break of 50? We're not. We're seeing topping off at 40. Okay, now that's break of 50. Concrete break of 50. 56 I'm reading. 57. Still good buyer force. 30, wow, on 30. We'll sell half just to realize some gains. Sold more like a quarter. I was holding 10 shares. Did I press the wrong button? Oh, I did. No, I was supposed to press. I definitely hit the right button. That's not the problem. Okay, back up to 30. Good shares on 20. Good share buying on 20. 22. Stock trying to make it to 10. Still looking for another $2 squeeze. Looking for the add-on break. That's what I want to do. I'll even give it an extra few cents to add on break. 50. So what I'd be looking for the 70 level? 39, 40. Still around the 50 range. 9, 10 time, we're looking good. Okay. Broke 70 for a bit. 25, close to 80. We'll add a few extra shares. I'm looking for like 920. That's what I'm looking for to get out on. No, don't do it to me. No. 80 still buying on 80. 70 slight falling. 80 bought on 80. 88, 83, 70s, low 70s. 96, 80, 89, 83, 85, 81. 70, 70. Down to 50. It's retreating. Is it taking too long? Is this the hyperextension of these markets? I don't feel like it, but if it does, then fine, whatever. Fuck it, we'll get out. Realize a little bit of gain. I'm okay with that. Not much, but hey, whatever. I could have definitely played it better. And this to here is 10%, but like I got like smaller, but that's okay. My target price, if I properly would have held, I would have realized 20%. But, you know, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Yeah, moved in the pre-market at 7 a.m. Interesting. Because it was an after-hours mover. Because it's been pulling for the past few days. I mean, that should have been noticed. I like the 5-minute chart. It's so much calmer. 1 minute is so hectic. Oh, I traded it wrong if I'm trading off the 5-minute. I did that shit wrong. Oh, and I understand that for such a close margin, I should have been looking at the 1 minute. Oh, my hair's probably a mess. Yes, it is, but that's okay because this is not that serious. We'll go back to the scanner.
Elon Musk is the CEO of which famous company? Tesla. Is that you guys' final answer? You guys are what? Which European is given credit of reaching North America first? Christopher Columbus. Is that you guys' final answer? Yeah, I'm gonna
It's open. Mm-hmm. Kind of in the middle of something, Papa. Kind of in the middle of something. I need a mic mute button. I don't like it. I know I didn't wait. I just don't like it. Because a lot of people pushing this big are day pushers, I believe. Well, I was. Let's see. Wait. Let's see if I was right about that. Because volume is good, right? But momentum is garbage. So, like, you see, I am back, and I left at not a good time, because what I've noticed is that stocks, when they move, they go to particular levels depending on their momentum, and this stock had quite a lot of momentum. I didn't notice it at first because it more generally is not as quick as, I don't know, let's say new reaction time I like to catch a ball, but for in order to stock to move, it does take a few minutes. Because of this, it's hard to identify whether it's going where or not, and I assumed that daybreak or high break would not be a good enough indication as a continued momentum play because it only solely relies on people on that break. But what it does indicate is a breakthrough selling force. And with this stock that has particularly a high lot of movement, the high of daybreak indicates a lot of forward momentum, a lot of bullish momentum, and I should have held on to it. Now you see, if I would have played it right and not sold and bought about 1,000 times, that'd be about 30%. I, on the other hand, made less than that, probably closer to like 10, which is still good. I'm not complaining, but I'm complaining. I could have realized a lot more, a lot more. This is not. I screwed up. Yep, that was my bad. And my OBS is screwed. And I also didn't wake up at the right time. But I still traded. And that's all that matters. And I traded to the best of my knowledge. And what I'm also starting to notice is that, like, the more that I'm trading, the more I'm starting to feel comfortable with these kinds of things. Like, I didn't sell off because I knew that this is a kind of I have my swing stop, and I know that this is usual for stocks to swing in that position. So I'm pretty proud. If it does somehow break this line, I don't know where the next line it can go to. Next line I see is where is it? Yeah, literally the 27 line. Or maybe like, what's that? 15? It's pretty good. Now, but this stock is done for today, I believe, or for the next little bit. Because for a break like that, you need some sort of momentum, and the stock doesn't seem to be anything too special. So, oh, I had pancakes, so that was good. New spot we're trying out. Think I like it. But alright, I'm gonna call it for today. I'm gonna upload this and I'm gonna edit it most likely. Do a little bit of it. It's only 17 minutes, so there's actual trading. It's just YouTube content. It's pretty good. Should be my 9th video, coming up close to 10, and I'm gonna try a little bit of film editing and tell me what y'all know, or tell me what y'all think. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Bye.